and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix threads not loading. Firstly, what you can do is you can check your network, check your Wi-Fi, mobile data. I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. Now I'm going to turn it off. Now next what you can do is first close and restart. Completely close the app, remove it from your recent apps background and reopen it. After you reopen the app, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is tap on settings, tap on apps. After you tap on apps, tap on app management. Now tap on search. After you tap on search, start typing threads, tap on threads. Now tap on storage usage. After you tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache. And still if it doesn't work, what you can do is tap on Play Store, open the Thread app, tap on your profile icon. After you tap on your profile icon, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on log out. After you log out, log back in. And lastly, what you can do is tap on Play Store. After you tap on Play Store, tap on search and start typing for threads. And if your app is not updated, tap on update and update your app. If you still have any questions, comment down below.